Hello, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm gonna show you the museum of the GSM electronics. As you see in the past, we have some issues with the SIM locks of these old phones. As you see, there is a local mode. We tap the info of the phone and we just remove the SIM lock. In the old time, in the past, in the back past, 10 years ago, every GSM service to do this for our clients. And this time, and this year is 22, 23, 24 year. We have some today some Back to the Future and remove SIM lock from this old Nokia 6020, as you see. And as you see, we tap the info from the box. Of course, this is the box on the USB, and we're gonna try to remove the SIM lock. So this is option init SIM lock. Getting mobile info, SIM lock initialization, NM OK, time OK, and phone now hasn't got any SIM lock. I will show you how it looks like. There is the pin with a connect to our laptop. There is a special cable to it, and this is the box. It's very old technology, but it still works in 23. So that's it. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe. See you by the next video. Hey.